Good evening to one and all the respected advocates from the all over Telangana. Every day our fight is for our clients, but today our fight is for our rights. Good evening to one and all advocates who fight, not only fight for their clients and also who are interested to fight for social cause and social justice. The Indian Legal Professional Association Telangana State Unit warmly welcoming you one and all to the fourth session. The distinguished Honorable Speaker enlightened so many lives of the students as well as fighting for the social cause, more particularly for the OBCs. From the decades onwards, the Honorable Speaker fighting for the OBC's rights in intellectual forums as well as in social media platforms, in whatever, whenever required, Sir is raising his voice for OBCs. Now, it is my privilege and honor to invite Honorable Speaker Sri Simhadri Garu to give his lecture on OBC's just political pawns of the ruling class for their political gains. Thank you.